Prince Harry appeared surprise second UK trip in London court trial this summer. The Duke of Sussex appeared at the High Court last week. The Duke of Sussex is expected to return to the High Court in London in June to give evidence in his claim against a tabloid newspaper publisher over phone hacking allegations. On this occasion, Prince Harry will be one of a number of high-profile figures bringing damages against Mirror Group newspapers over alleged unlawful information gathering at its titles. At a preliminary hearing on Wednesday, Julian Santos, for Harry and other figures bringing claims, said all the witnesses on their side will be giving evidence in person. The claimants are not applying for any of their witnesses to give evidence via video link, Mr. Santos told the High Court in London. MGN is contesting the claims, arguing that some have been brought too late. Other celebrities involved include singer and former Girls Aloud member Cheryl, the estate of the late singer George Michael, ex-footballer and television presenter Ian Wright and actor Ricky Tomlinson. MGN, publisher of titles including The Mirror, Sunday Mirror and Sunday People, has previously settled a number of claims against it in relation to unlawful information gathering, as has News Group newspapers, and GN, publisher of the now-defunct News of the World and The Sun, in a separate ongoing legal action. This means the Duke, who is expected to give evidence, will make a second visit to the High Court this year. Harry made a surprise appearance at the High Court last week to attend a 4-day preliminary hearing in his separate privacy case against the publisher of the Daily Mail, Associated Newspapers Limited. See what he had to say as he made his first appearance at the London court. The Duke is one of 7 high-profile claimants, including Sir Elton John and Elizabeth Hurley, bringing claims over allegations carried out or commissioned illegal or unlawful information gathering. The allegations which are denied include the hiring of private investigators to place listening devices inside cars, and the accessing and recording of private phone conversations. Prince Harry is expected to take the witness stand in London this summer to testify against Mirror Group newspapers, MGN, over alleged unlawful information gathering. The Duke of Sussex is expected to testify in early to mid-June, the Associated Press reported Wednesday, citing lawyers and a preliminary schedule of witnesses. The trial itself begins the 9th of May, just 3 days after the coronation of King Charles and Queen Camilla. It remains unclear whether Prince Harry and Meghan Markle will attend the crowning ceremony. Mirror Group newspapers is the publisher of the Daily Mirror, Sunday Mirror, Daily Express and more, and Prince Harry alleges that his phone voicemails were hacked. Contesting the claims, the powerhouse publisher argues that they were brought too late, according to the AP. Prince Harry launched the claim in 2019. The Duke of Sussex is one of 4 representative claimants chosen as test cases from a larger group of high-profile figures suing the publisher, The Independent reported. The other claimants are actress Nikki Sanderson, actor Michael Turner and Fiona Whiteman, ex-wife of comedian Paul Whitehouse. The trial is set to run for 6 to 7 weeks, and Prince Harry's claim is expected to take 3 days, The Independent said. The appearance also will mark Harry's second time at High Court in 3 months. Last week, he attended 3 out of the 4 days of hearings that will determine whether his lawsuit against Associated Newspapers goes to trial. Prince Harry, Elizabeth Hurley, Elton John, John's husband David Furnish, and more are suing Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, publisher of the Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday, for illegal information gathering. The 4-day hearing commenced to consider legal arguments from both sides, as ANL argues that the case should be thrown out. It is due to conclude with the judge's ruling on whether the case should go to trial. Reuters reports that Justice Matthew Nicklin, who is presiding over the case, is not expected to make a decision for a few weeks. According to the outlet, Nicklin told Prince Harry's lawyer David Sherborne that if the case did advance, it would be a massive trial lasting a substantial period of time. These 2 brothers, once inseparable and now separated by much more than mere distance, have been acting out the contradictions that go back into their childhoods and even before that, into their parents' ill-fated marriage, said royal author Robert Lacey in 2020. We have seen conflicts between heir and spare in every recent generation of the royal family, but nothing so profound as this. After more insults were exchanged, the argument escalated. Harry wrote, "He grabbed me by the collar, ripping my necklace, and he knocked me to the floor. I landed on the dog's bowl, which cracked under my back, the pieces cutting into me. I lay there for a moment, dazed. Then got to my feet and told him to get out. William reportedly left soon after, only to return looking regretful and apologized. There has always been this competition between us, weirdly, Harry said on the subject. I think it really plays into, or was played by, the S-Bear. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, would you please help us like, share and subscribe our channel. Wish you happy to see our videos. Thank you very much.